How to quit a relationship. How should you end a relationship? In this tutorial, we're going to learn how you can end a relationship, how you can quit a relationship. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how you can end a relationship, how to quit a relationship. Yeah, welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. So I want to teach you how to end a relationship. You're in a relationship and you want to quit. So it's not difficult to do. For you to end it, a relationship ends for a lot of reasons. You might end it, you might end a relationship because of one reason or the other. Maybe you are not happy with your partner, or maybe you just don't want to be in a relationship right now. Whatever the reasons, breaking up can be tough. These tips can be of help to you. The first one is you have to prepare your mind. Prepare your mind that, oh, I'm going to end this relationship. So prepare psychologically, prepare yourself psychologically that, oh, I'm going to end this relationship. Think about what you are going to say in advance. You may even want to practice on a friend or in front of a mirror, or write out your thoughts. So prepare, so that you will not feel, or you will not make mistake in ending this awful relationship. Number two is that I have to pick the right spot. Pick the right spot where we talk to your partner. Talk to your partner somewhere that is comfortable for both of you. If you are worried about safety, somewhere public might be the best choice. So do not, make sure it's not a hidden place, because it might react to the quit. So make sure that where you have to pick the right place, the right spot to quit this relationship. Pick the right spots. Most people don't choose the right spot to quit a relationship, thereby cause a lot of things to them. It might lead to many things that are awful in their life. So choose this right spot to end a relationship. Number three is that you have to say it in person. Don't send somebody or text message or talk on the phone or something. So see the person one-on-one. If you feel safe, talk to your partner face to face. Emailing, texting, or talking on the phone may sound easier, but it is usually not the best option. And don't ask a friend to deliver the news for you. So talk to the person face to face. Say it in person. Don't send somebody a message or send somebody to go and say it on your behalf. Say it to the person face to face. Be bold enough to say it to the person face to face. And now and again is that the next step is that you have to be respectful. Because you're ending a relationship does not mean that tomorrow you cannot start this relationship. So if you're ending a relationship, end it with respect. So be respectful. If your partner asks you why you are breaking up with them, be honest. It could be help. It could help them have better relationship in the future. Don't insult them or try to hurt them. No. So be respectful, in this decision to end a relationship or to quit a relationship. So be respectful. Do not be aggressive, or do not, make comments that will jeopardize your future. So be respectful. Number one is that make a clean break. End the relationship in a clean way. If you really want to be friends, that is fine. But if you are just saying let's be friends to let your partner down easier, don't. It can lead to more hurt feelings. Even if you plan to stay friends, give your partner some space. It may help to take a break from seeing or talking to each other for a while. So make a clean break. Don't break tomorrow you are with the person, and next tomorrow you are talking, next another one you are making a call or send a text message or asking for help. So make a clean break. The last one is that you have to stick to your decision. Stick with your decision. If you feel like you are going the right, the right, you have made the right decision, stay with it. Don't let your partner try to convince you to stay together. It is normal for someone to cry or get upset during a breakup, and that can be really hard to deal with. But feeling bad or guilty isn't a reason to stay in a relationship. So make sure that you stick to your decision. Because of the person's tears, or because the person's crying will not make you to change your decision. Stick to your decision and never allow tears to make you now to stay back in a relationship that you are not enjoying or have the reason to break or quit. So do not do that. Make sure that you follow all these steps, and I know that you will have successful quit in your relationship. Prepare, pick the right spot, say it in person, be respectful, make a clean break, stay with your decision, and I know you will have a better chance and future. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Stay with us by subscribing to this channel for future updates. If you have a comment, use the comment box below for your comments and subscribe to the channel. Stay and God bless you.